Fieldbus. Fieldbus networks use bytes that are exchanged between devices to control and monitor industrial processes. Bit coding, also known as bit mapping, assigns specific things to specific bits. We'll explain as we go along. Tap on the main menu. Tap on Global Settings. Tap on Job Selections pull-down menu. Select External Discrete Fieldbus. Tap Save. Tap Communication Settings. Tap on Fieldbus. Tap on Fieldbus Type pull-down menu. There are two versions to choose from: Ethernet, IP, or Profinet. Profinet is more prevalent in Europe. Ethernet IP is more common in the Americas. Both are programmed using the same method. Fieldbus utilizes binary mapping in the form of bits and bytes. Both input and output have 256 bytes each available for programming. Inputs use exclusively bits for programming unless barcode is selected. 1 bit per behavior. Example: selecting the behavior Job 1 for input 1 uses just 1 bit of the 256 available. If all 8 bits are mapped, 1 byte is used. Outputs use both bits and bytes. Bits are used for status results such as pass, fail, batch complete, etc. Bytes are used for results in fields that require more data such as torque results, angle results, job ID, etc. Example: selecting the behavior torque results will use 4 bytes of the 256 available. Total bytes used is tallied automatically in the left column. When mapping of the in and outputs is complete, tap Save.